Hello, in front of me I've got Attack Shark X85. In this video I'll show you how to hot swap switches. In the original package we can find this switch puller. Using this part, remove keycaps, and using the other part, remove switches. The other part should go like this, with the pullers on the sides. Squeeze it gently and pull it. While replacing switches, remember that these use pins, so make sure that you place them back in the correct order. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.